In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add to-dos on Pinterest. Okay, so I'm going to open up the Pinterest app, and to see and activate the to-dos, just tap on your profile icon at the bottom right-hand corner. Then you want to select the board where you want to add the to-dos. So I'll select this one right here. And if you're not seeing this feature right here that says to-dos, what you want to do is make sure you're running the latest version of Pinterest. So go either into the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store and update your TikTok app to the latest version. Once you've done that and you have this feature here, tap on to-dos, and then this will pop up. It says plan with to-do notes. To-dos are boards. To-dos are your board's workspace. You can use them to round up pins you want to try and everything like that. So tap on add your first to-do at the bottom. You can give it a title. So I'll call it test to-do, just an example. Then tap on next. And then what you want to do is describe your to-dos. So you could write, I'll just write something random, make video, edit video, but you would actually want to write something there that makes sense. Now, once you've done that, you can see this little button right here. You want to tap on that, and this is where you add your ideas or to-dos. So then you would just write whatever you want to write here. You can tap on that button again, and then you'll get another one, and so on and so forth. And then you can delete them by tapping the X on the right hand side of that if you don't want one or you made a mistake or something. And then once you've set everything up within your to-do, tap on done at the top right. Now it says to-do note created, and you can come back here anytime and click on it or tap on it, and you'll be able to see what you wrote. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.